When designing your module structure, you want to be intentional. Have a plan. Know what you want to include and what's important to your students. Group your subject matter. Identify how the content fits together or how it flows best from one piece to the next. Introduce your topic. Just as you would introduce your topic in the classroom, provide a brief written or recorded introduction to the subject matter. Be sure to include the objectives. Provide your instruction. This might include reading assignments like text, articles, blogs, things like that. It might include videos or podcasts, or it might include online lessons. Then let them get active. Give students an opportunity to experience the subject. Let them test theories, practice writing, conduct experiments, work problems, and discuss the subject. Assess their knowledge. Test their memory and application of the subject matter. And finally, reflect on the learning process. Give students the chance to talk about what they've learned, what they struggled with, and what they still need to address in the coming days.